Welcome to our video. I'm going to tell you how to install Waze or Google Maps on Apple CarPlay. The good news is you don't need to jailbreak or install anything shady. These apps are fully supported. First, download Waze or Google Maps from App Store on your iPhone and make sure you're signed in. Then, connect your iPhone to your car with a lightning cable or wirelessly if your vehicle supports wireless CarPlay. Once CarPlay launches, go to your dashboard and swipe through the available apps. You should see Waze and Google Maps automatically appear. If they don't, just open Settings, General, CarPlay, Your Car on your iPhone, and rearrange or add them into your CarPlay home screen. From there, you can set either one as your default navigation app by going to your iPhone setting for maps or directly launching them inside CarPlay. Thank you for watching and make sure to subscribe for more useful content.